How to convert multiple images into one PDF file. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to convert multiple images into a PDF file. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, if you're on a phone, you can just go ahead and download PDF Converter. You can just go ahead and search PDF Converter and you'll be finding multiple options here. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you like. For example, I have downloaded this one right here. And once you've downloaded that particular application, you can just go ahead and open it up and you'll be reaching this section. So since we are converting images to PDF, you can select this first option called images to PDF right here. And after that is done, you can just go ahead and select up the image that you want to convert as a PDF. You can go ahead and select multiple, about 4 to 5. For example, I'm selecting about 4 to 5 for now. So you can also go ahead and do that and tap on import in the bottom. And once you've selected that and edited it out, what you can do is simply tap on this done section and it will start processing it up. And once that is done, you can find this option called convert to PDF. Just go ahead and do that, and you can just go ahead and make your PDF page size like A4, everything. And after that is done, simply tap on convert and wait for the conversion to be completed, and that is done. And after that is done, you can just open it up and you'll be finding your images has been converted into a PDF file just like that. So you can also follow up the same process in order to convert your images, multiple images, into a PDF using your phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.